We're here in Delta State, Asaba, to run another edition of our STEM Girl Initiative, which is one of our ways to get more girls across secondary schools to get their interest in STEM, specifically science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
Software can be defined as a computer program that instructs the hardware on what to do, and it tells the computer hardware what to do and how to do.
Let's clap for that.
So, a software cannot be seen, it's inside the computer.
Good, clap for that. So that is exactly the same thing with software. There are instructions to carry out specific tasks. And those who write these instructions, they are known as programmers or software developers.
Chico, Yelpa,
whatever you want. You can make cartoons, you can make games, animations, and so on. Anybody.
We've had 3 days activities here at Government Model Secondary School, Asaba. The first day was the outreach, comprises of the career sessions where we talk to the girls about STEM possibilities and careers that they can, take on when they leave secondary school, and even right now they are interested in some of these STEM fields. And the second day we had on the workshop, which was focused on game development using coding and game development using Scratch. And right now is the third day, which is like the hallmark of the workshop. Today the girls are focusing on robotics, building a line following robot car.
Well, we have a high representation of girls because my students engage in a lot of competitions, and they go out for a lot of presentations, and the girls participate actively. Even in science, they do participate actively. So I would say that there's a high representation of girls in science in Government Model Secondary School. Well, I think it will have a great impact because it has gone a long way to motivate them, to impact on them, to excite them, to ignite their interest in STEM. And so they will look forward even to achieving better, knowing more, and satisfying that curiosity. So that is what I think. Well, the science department will have to take up that role, and the school itself, even in our school calendar, we have, shall I say, we have the last 2 periods on Friday for clubs, and so they can take advantage of that to encourage more girls to participate in STEM.
I'm actually grateful to She Africa for the workshop they brought to the school because it helps to enlighten me and other girls entirely, and it's giving us courage and it's giving us the thrill of being able to build something with our hands. It's the coding part. My favorite part because for the robotics, I'm not that good in wires. I don't really have passion for wires, but when it comes to coding, I'm creating something in my mind, and I'm just being creative in my mind, and then I'm bringing it out for people to see, and then I'm being able to impact the world through what I create.
We've taken this initiative to multiple states across Nigeria, and we selected Delta State because we are very keen on going to states and communities that we consider as underserved communities that are not as exposed to technology, like the metropolitan cities such as Lagos and Abuja. I think that the most exciting part for me has been getting to interact with these girls and getting to understand that their career aspirations are way more advanced than we could even think of, especially for a public school. And I like the fact that these girls are choosing to defy all rumors and all set standards that the society set for public secondary schools, especially in Nigeria. In summary, these girls are very smart. I have seen their interest in STEM move from basic to, I would say, another level above basic, and I can see that they are very keen on continuing this. And I'm also excited that we're launching a STEM club at the end of this workshop, because these girls have shown that interest to want to continue their training and their learning even beyond the 3 days workshop which we have been doing.
I think the girls, they are happy because they have not had such opportunity. Boys are always ahead of them. But with this little program that we have attended 2 days, I think they have lightened them. I was discussing with my friends, so we're going to have a club in this school, even to cop other girls to join them, so that they'll be able to, meet up.
As part of our mission to make sure that there's continued learning for these girls, we are also making a donation of brand new laptops and STEM kits, and also launching our STEM club to ensure that they keep on learning everything that they have been taught in the workshop. And this STEM a Girl initiative is not just ending in Delta State. We're still moving ahead to other locations and taking the STEM education campaign into other underserved communities across Nigeria.
Thank you, She Code Africa. Girl power. STEM power. She Code Africa.
To join the She Code Africa community today, use the URL shecodeafrica.org, and to join a chapter, shecodeafrica.org/chapters.